Hi, I'm Mrs. Doliner, and I'm going to be reading Drawn Together by Min Lay, and it was illustrated by Caldecott medalist Dan Santet. Drawn Together. It looks like the boy is being dropped off by his mom at his grandfather's house. And he looks like he's not so sure about what's going to happen, but his grandfather looks very happy. They're having dinner. Looks like his grandfather is eating a Thai dish, but he made a hot dog and french fries and salad for his grandson. They're eating, and the little boy says, "So what's new, Grandpa?" And his grandfather answers in his native Thai language. They sit in silence because they can't understand each other. They're watching a TV show. Again, the TV show is in Thai, so the little boy can't understand it. His grandfather asked him in his native Thai language, and the little boy answers, "Can we watch something else?" Now neither of them look very happy. They're sitting in silence, so the little boy decides to go get his backpack and his sketch pad, and he begins to draw a picture of himself as a wizard. His grandfather has an idea. His grandfather also has a sketch pad. He goes and gets his and puts it next to his grandson's. The little boy is surprised. He says, "Right when I gave up on talking, my grandfather surprised me by revealing a world beyond words." We see each other for the first time. There's the grandfather's sketch, and there's the little boy's drawing. All the things we could never say come pouring out. And we build a new world that even words can't describe. But just when we're closer than ever, that old distance comes roaring back. This time, I'm not afraid. Because I know that together we can make our way across. Now, after years of searching for the right words, we find ourselves happily speechless. And now the little boy's mom comes to pick him up, and both he and his grandfather are very happy. They found a way to communicate without words. The end. I hope you enjoyed reading Drawn Together by Min Lay. I don't know. I'm hitting it.